Today I'm going to show you how to create a custom color chart by editing this template in Canva. We'll go here and click on Use Template, and it takes you over to canva.com. We can increase our work area space by closing this sidebar. I'll click on Hide. And we can also increase the size of our design down here with this little slider. We'll bring it up till it's about full size. There are 5 pages in this design. This is the first page, and then we go down to the second page, which gives you instructions. And we'll go down to page 3. This is where you're going to put your colors. And we go down to page 4, that has all the solid colors. And we go down to page 5, and that has all of the heather colors. Let's start choosing our colors for our custom color chart. First, we'll scroll down to the solid colors page on page 4. Let's click on white, and then we want to copy this. So we're going to hit Command C, which copies it. I'm on a Mac. If you're on a PC, that would be Control C. Then we'll go up here, click on the background, and hit Command V to paste it. And if you're on a PC, it's Control V as in violin. We can just click on this and move it down over here. Now we'll go grab another solid color. Let's pick soft cream. So we'll click Command C to copy it. Click on the background up here and hit Command V to paste it. And we'll put it down right here. We'll grab one more solid color. Let's pick black. We'll hit Command C to copy. Come back up here, click on the background, hit Command V to paste it. Then we can drag it up here next to these. And to resize these, we're just going to drag a box over all 3 of them to select them. Then we'll click on the corner and drag it out to make those swatches bigger. Move it over to center it. You can also use guides up here. So pull one down, make sure they're level. Okay. All right, next we want to add some heather colors to our chart. We'll go down here to the heather colors page. And let's see, we want to pick Heather Peach. Let's find Heather Peach. Here it is. So we click on that. We hit Command C to copy it. Come back up here to our color chart, click on the background, and then we hit Command V to paste it. We'll put that right there. Next we'll go back down to the heather colors, and let's choose Heather Mauve. Here's Heather Mauve. We click on that, hit Command C to copy it. Come back up here, click on the background, and hit Command V to paste it. Drag that over there. All right, let's go get one more heather color. Let's find Heather Maroon. Heather Maroon is right over here. We click on that, hit Command Copy, scroll back up, click on the background, hit Command V to paste. Bring this over here next to these. Then we'll drag a box over all 3 of them to select them. Click on this corner and drag it out to make those the same size. I can go up here and check to see if they're the same. They're the same. We can make these a little bigger and center them. So I'll select them all, drag it out, and then you can see if it's centered by that little guideline that shows up. Let's bring these in a little bit closer. So move this one over, this one over. Okay, and then let's select them all and we'll center it. So now you can show that for your Etsy listing, you offer white, soft cream, black, heather peach, heather mauve, and heather maroon for that particular Etsy listing. And you can change all of the fonts if you want to. You just click on the text, go over here and choose another font. I'll scroll down, select this one. And if you don't like that or you've made a mistake, you can always hit the back arrow and it'll just take you back. I like this font, so I'm going to stick with this one. You can also change these fonts. You can ungroup this. You can move this text wherever you want it. Now we're going to download our new color chart. We're going to go up here in the top right corner to share. Then we're going to come down here to where it says download. Click on that. And then right here it says all 5 pages. We don't want to download all 5 pages. So we click on this. We uncheck pages 1 through 5. We just want to download the current page 3. You can click on current page 3 and then done and download. And it's automatically going to download to our downloads folder. And there it is, your new custom color chart.